Why do you think we are seeing girls menstruating or getting their menarche so early these days?
Yeah, right. That's such an important and frequently asked question, I think, from all of
Hmm.
us, because earlier we would talk about Minaki at around 11, 12, sometimes as late as
Much
13 or
later, right?
14. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now it's 9, 10,
My God.
and the little children don't know how to use a sanitary napkin. They don't know what is happening to them.
Yeah.
What is this blood? Where is it coming from? And of course, a very commonly used thing that we talk about, which is really important, which is changing a lot of hormones in our body, normally said as stress,
Yeah.
but which plays such a quintessential role in our hormones, in our cycles. And if we go in detail, in the estrogen and progesterone.
Hmm.
And as we know that estrogen plays a very, very important role in achieving the puberty or the starting of the menstrual cycle.
Correct.
And because estrogen is literally everywhere in everything that we're eating,
Hmm.
there is such a huge thing about all these plastic things that are being used in microwaves, which, later on affect the estrogen in our body.
Wow.
The food that we are consuming, which is leading to a higher BMI. The BMI, which is increasing, it is making the peripheral fat convert into estrogen again increasing the levels of estrogen. And therefore, also the overall environment and the maturity of a young adult reaching faster. All these things put together are leading to menarche happening earlier. There's nothing to be scared about.
Hmm.
We just have to be prepared. We just have to be educated, and we have to
Hmm.
empower the young adults that they're going to get their period sooner.
Does by any chance early menarche mean early menopause?
Now, see, we don't have such a huge case study and data,
Hmm.
to be honest.
Hmm.
Yes. In general terms, an early menarche will lead to an early menopause because we are all born with only a certain number of
Number of
eggs.
eggs.
So it's not like,
Did you know that? That's such a fun fact or an important fact that we are just born with a certain number of eggs. We just
exactly.
release them periodically, and the day it is over, you're done.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, and that's why so many people are coming in with something known as a premature ovarian failure, where in young 20s and 25, 30, their anti-Mullerian hormone,
Yeah.
which
It's so
tells
low.
us the quality and the quantity of the egg, becomes extremely low, and we're left with like 4 follicles, 5 follicles at a young age of 25. So, yes, girls are stopping periods early, 37, 38. The new menopause has become 41, 42.
Yeah.
So, yes, that is happening. Now, we will also have to be a little more vigilant if it doesn't happen, because an early menarche and a late menopause exposes us to certain hormones, which we then have to be more careful about the endometrial lining and so on and so forth. So, yes, we'll obviously have to keep the visits to the gynac annually and not take it so lightly any longer, but nothing to be afraid of. It's just a change, it's evolution, and we have to embrace it.
Lovely. So, what I have seen along with early menarche, like we were talking, is obviously early skin changes.
Absolutely.
So, very young little girls come with, oh my God, I have acne on my forehead, and oh my God, my hair growth has already started, my underarm has hair, and my hair on the body is a little more. So, the question that I get asked is it okay to do something to treat your acne at such a early age? And I keep saying, yes, it's okay, because you would rather treat that acne than leave the scars behind, which is so much more difficult for us to treat. So we may start with something as simple as certain application
Right.
to reduce the effect of the excess sebum secretion, which is very hormonally induced and which is pretty normal. Or maybe simply the same sebum secretion in the scalp leads to a very, very seborrheic scalp, then leads to acneiform eruptions or acne on the forehead that we end up treating. And even this age of starting laser hair reduction,
Right.
we have accepted can be earlier. So
Absolutely.
we start as soon as around 13, 14 years. We end up starting 16 would be a good year if you can wait. But some people, when you have that excess hair because of early menarche,
Right.
it is absolutely okay and safe for you to start your procedure such as hair reduction laser.